And so as you can see, I just started this income stream last week and we're already approaching $300 a day, which is close to 10 grand a month doing this. Free traffic. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. And again, all you have to do is simply What's going on? If you're familiar with my content at all, you know I have multiple YouTube channels, many of which I just focus on offering affiliate products through using that traffic. Today, I'm going to show you something anyone can do for free. It's super easy and it's super profitable. So let's go ahead and head over to ClickBank and let me show you something. So here we are, we're on a brand new ClickBank account I started. It looks like based on the number of R's here I had to add, this is about the third ClickBank account I started under the Gallagher name. And so I'm gonna go ahead and log in live so you can see something pretty interesting. So here we are, we're logged in live. I'll go ahead and refresh it so you can see again that this is all good to go and legit. And so I just started this income stream. I'm going to show you today how to do everything step by step. I just started it last week and here we are. Now we're already getting into some consistent days, pushing $300 a day. If you were to add these four up, it's over $700. And then if you were to take the average and carry that over a 30-day period, like a month, this income stream is already generating over $5,700 a month on complete autopilot. And again, I'm doing this with completely free traffic, so we're going to check that out here in a second. But keep in mind, you know, there's lots of programs out there, $500 programs, even one I saw one the other day, $3,000 for a program that you have to buy to learn how to promote ClickBank products. And then once you buy the program, you learn, oh, now I got to pay for Facebook ads or Google ads. Again, I'm going to show you this for free, and the traffic is free. And if you struggled with doing affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you something that I think most people get wrong that makes it impossible for them to succeed, or makes it very hard for them to succeed. So let's go ahead and we're going to start off right here. Since we're on ClickBank, we're going to go to the marketplace. I'm going to show you where people mess up, in my opinion. So what most people do when they discover ClickBank or affiliate marketing and they learn how you can get commissions by promoting other people's products, they tend to go to the big markets. They go into the affiliate market, like how to make money online programs or how to lose weight. These are, you know, huge niches to get involved with lots of competition. And so not only is it difficult for you to get traffic to your affiliate link, to get traffic to your offer so you can earn that commission, chances are people have already seen the offer that you're promoting. So you're selling the same thing that a lot of other people are selling, and you're trying to promote it against other professional internet marketers, and it's going to be very difficult to pull off, especially if you're just starting out. Let me show you a very simple way to go about this. Instead of going for these huge niches, find a market in a smaller niche that is underserved. So let me go ahead and let's look at self-help. So this is one of the things that I do, and there's all these subcategories, but so let me just go ahead and get into, let's try dating guides. Let's see what they have. Let's go ahead and scroll up here. So I like to switch this over to Gravity, and what Gravity is it shows you about how many people are currently generating income with these offers. So 36 people are generating money with this, but it's not overserved. There's not hundreds or thousands of people promoting this product. There's 35, but they're making money, and they're averaging $61 per sale. So again, ClickBank is free, so you would just come over here, set up a ClickBank account, and then you would hit promote, and then you're going to get your own affiliate link, and that's how you're going to get paid every time somebody purchases through your affiliate link. You're going to earn this average commission. So again, we're in the dating niche now, so let me go ahead and check out this offer real quick. So they got a VSL, or a video sales letter, right here, so you can watch this. And all you're going to do now is, you know, save your affiliate link for this product. And keep in mind, you know, this is just going to be a 5-10 minute YouTube video. I'm just showing you this. For most people, it's not going to be, you know, too difficult. They're going to be pretty familiar with what I'm sharing. But if you are someone that wants a little bit more detailed information, sort of hold you by the hand or watch over my shoulder type stuff, I have a video series I put together that covers this: how to grow on YouTube, how to get YouTube video views, and how to generate affiliate income. And I can have some more videos over here of all these different affiliate marketing income sources I've generated using the same method that you can do the same as well. Here's one I just posted the other day. Took another brand new method from zero, to, that was like 1,000, that was a couple thousand, over 6,000 and counting. This was just a couple months ago, November. It's already above that now, but I have a video here you can watch. I log into my accounts and show you that as well. And again, you can do this too. Oh, also, and if you scroll down, you're going to see where other people that are enrolled are sharing the results they're getting. And here's someone else using this for ClickBank. Here's someone else using this for ClickBank, just like I showed you another ClickBank one. But these are the results people are getting by doing this as well. So it's not very complicated. It's not very difficult. It's just a matter of taking action and doing it. So anyways, again, that link is in the description. Let's go ahead and continue on. So we've got our affiliate link for that product I just showed you. We're talking about the dating niche. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google. We're going to type in something related to the dating niche. And we're just going to look for an article for some content. And so let's just go with how to attract a woman. And then right here we have a 20-step guide on how to do that. And so with an article this big, I wouldn't even use all 20 in one video that we're going to create. I would use half of these. So basically I would go through here and I can use this as inspiration. I can rewrite this article. I'm going to show you some tips here how to do this really quick and easy. And so let's just say I went through and copied this whole article. I'm going to copy that. And then I could go over here and put it in this free article spinner, and it's just going to change the words around. It's going to be the same article, but it's going to change the words around so we're not duplicating someone else's content. Oops, I clicked the wrong button here. I have to put in this CAPTCHA. And so as you can see, the original is what makes a man attractive in the eyes of a woman, and then the spun text version is what makes a man alluring according to a lady. So again, it's essentially the same article, but we've made it somewhat original so that it's no longer duplicate content. And then you can just create a video using this as a script. And of course you do the whole article, but you could just create a video however you would create your own video that you generated from an article. And you can do this over and over again. There's obviously a limitless number of different articles on how to attract women and men, and then you can build a whole niche around this and promote that product. So the next step we're going to do, as an option, you can use software like Pictory that will actually create a video for you. So here you could actually directly put a link to an article in there. It will do that. But again, I don't want to duplicate someone else's content. So we already have a partial script that I just copied and pasted in there. We're going to go ahead and use this option, and I'm just going to paste this in here. It's asking for a name. We'll just call it test, and then we're going to hit proceed. We're going to choose the 16:9 landscape, and what Pictory does is it creates a video using its AI technology. So based on the text, it's picking up keywords, and it's going to generate a video for you by pulling together a bunch of various video clips. And then for audio, we can add music, we can add a voice. So here are some that I have recently used. So I'm just going to apply this for the music, and we'll go to voiceover. I'm going to apply this voice right here. And then we're going to go ahead and generate this video. And then we'll go ahead and we'll preview this.
What makes a man attractive in the eyes of a woman? It's the age-old question that has plagued mankind perhaps since the dawn of time.
Okay, so you get the idea. It automatically created a video. And so if I wasn't actually explaining this to you, taking the time to describe what I'm doing, I could have literally already been done with this video and posted it on one of my YouTube channels. But that essentially is all I do on some of my channels, is I create simple little videos like this around a very specific small niche that's underserved, not a big super competitive niche, where I think a lot of people go wrong with. There's too much competition. You're all pushing the same products to the same people. So rather than that, find small products like hair loss products, and then create a small niche channel around that specific product. Use articles to find and create content with, and then if you have a little bit of money, you can use software like this to even make it that much easier. And then within the video itself, what you can do is add a little, type in a little text apart from the script that you spun with the article spinner. Then you can add your own little text in there to, again, direct them to this product. And then to prompt them to purchase this, you can use the language they use right on their page here, their sales page, to help promote it. So you could say something like, to further understand the secret language that makes any woman feel uncontrollably obsessed with you, click the link to a special free video. and then they come over here, they watch this free video, and then after the video, it's going to prompt them to purchase their program, and then you're going to get commission. And again, that can then turn into easy income, just like this. And so using the same exact method, I was able again to start this brand new niche, and it's a brand new income stream. And already we're up to almost $300 a day doing this. And I'm going to continue to add videos to that channel. It just takes a few minutes. You can do a video a day, 2 videos a day, and it's going to continue to drive these commissions. And again, if you need more step-by-step help on any of the processes here, I can take you from beginning to end through this video series. And actually, if you scroll down on this page, if you come over and check it out, you're going to see where other people just like you that are enrolled in the course sharing the results they're getting, doing the same exact thing I'm doing. It's not complicated. You just need somebody to show you. That's what this video series is for. So that said, let me know what you think in the description below. I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you in the next video.